Hi friends, I'm Shobha Khemani. Welcome to Khemani Kitchen. Today I have my sister Chef Asha Bhakchandani and she'll be teaching us something very special that she's very famous for. Hi Asha.
Hi Shobha.
So what are you making today?
Hello friends. I am making stuffed tikkis. Okay?
To make stuffed tikkis, we have 6 large potatoes that we have boiled, peeled and mashed.
Yeah.
And we have to mash it properly, no lumps in there. Huh? And then we have 2 cups of fresh breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
We have salt and red chili pepper to taste. And we have 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay. So this is one set for the potatoes, and then we have another set for the stuffing. So for the stuffing we have
Mixed vegetables.
that we have boiled. We have peas and carrots and beans and some spaghetti. We have boiled it together with little salt and some oil, like 1 teaspoon oil we put while boiling, and then we strained it. And we have cilantro we'll use in the stuffing also and the tikkis also. Then we have some dry spices. We have red chili powder 1 tablespoon. We have chaat masala 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and we have 2 teaspoons of coriander powder.
And then onions.
Yeah, we chop some onions, about 1 small onion.
1 small onion.
And we have
ginger garlic paste.
Ginger and green chilies. Ginger and green chilies we have chopped them finely, and we'll use some hing. Let's get started with the stuffing. So we have a heated pan here.
In the heated pan, we will add some 2 tablespoon oil.
2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay. And then we will put ginger and chili paste. We have to stir a little bit till it is a little brown.
And then we'll put the
Then I put some
we'll add the
onion in there.
Not using everything.
Because little more I think. So it will be half onion. According to the vegetables, you can add onion.
Okay. Or if you like more, you can add more. If you like less. You have to brown the onion or
brown, pinkish brownish, not too brown, but a little bit brown in between. If you put onions, it binds the masala.
Okay. Otherwise they will be like
It binds the masala. That's why you put onion.
Now we add the dry spices.
Add all the dry spices. You can put little more oil because otherwise it will not stick together. Very good.
Okay, so we use about 3 tablespoons of
If you put masala first, it becomes more spicy and nice.
And
Now add this much vegetables inside. On the top. Masala is ready. Taste it, how it tastes.
the salt is right and
Everything is in
you have to mix properly. The salt is right. Very good.
And you can put masala according to
Your taste. So we'll cool this now and then we'll make the tikkis.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we are making tikkis.
Yeah.
Let's put the potatoes in here.
Then we can put cornstarch in that.
Cornstarch in there. Okay.
Then breadcrumbs.
Everything together. we have to
Everything
mix.
together.
Okay.
And then you have to mix
Mix
it
it
properly. You have to put more because salt is less.
Salt is less.
Yeah, put it very well.
We can taste it, no? Once
Yeah,
we mix
yeah,
everything,
yeah,
we'll
that's
just
fine.
taste it. I don't want to put more salt and then. You want me to do it? No. Okay, let me do it. Mix it properly. It's good?
No. Mash it properly. Mix it.
Okay, I'll mix it properly. Good?
Good. Let me
See.
see. Yeah.
Okay. So the mixture is nice and smooth, you can see. Okay, Asha, let me do it. Just guide me through it.
Yeah.
So how do we go about it? Take the mixture.
Yeah.
So just I'll make one tikki and then fill it, or
No, two.
Two,
Two balls
okay.
you have to make.
I have to make two. Okay, let me grease my palms first.
Hmm.
So I'll make two balls
Yeah.
about the size of a lemon is good.
Yeah. that's
This
fine.
size?
Yeah, this
Okay.
size. Take,
And
take
then little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll make two balls and then
And then flatten it.
flatten it. Okay,
Okay.
flatten both the balls.
Yeah. And add the mixture.
Okay, this is like aloo paratha. We make one roti.
One roti.
But when we make gobi paratha, we have to
Two
two rotis.
rotis, yeah.
Okay, so that's the procedure.
Yeah.
Okay, we put the stuffing in there
Yeah.
in the middle.
Middle, yeah. And then
Put the
put
second
the
tikki on the
tikki
top,
on the top.
and then okay, good.
Good. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, you learned it.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Actually, cooking is very easy.
Yeah.
Don't have to do anything.
No.
The food is
simple.
just made.
Just simple.
Just cutting and chopping is difficult.
Yeah.
Rest everything is so easy. Come, let's
Come,
make
let's
it.
make it,
Yeah.
yeah.
That was easy. I don't know. I thought you do something
Special?
special. Yeah. Okay. I've seen you do this. That's why I was able to do it.
Yeah. Now the other one.
I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
I have to eat. Let's make it fast. Okay.
Sometimes it's sticky.
You
otherwise-
come and tell me, oh, I made 50 tikkis today. And I was thinking you were working all day.
Yeah, today I will make 50 or.
It's a half an hour job, Asha.
Yeah.
Next time don't tell me that, huh? Don't give me that. That's nice. Easy.
You can make smaller size,
Small-
bigger
okay, yeah.
size, whatever size you want.
You know we like bigger.
But if you are making tikki cholas, then you need bigger ones.
Oh. You have to come and make cholas also.
Yeah,
Your
I-
pindi chanas are out of the world.
Yeah, I'll make it one
You
time.
have to come and make for me.
Taste
You could have done it today, but today I'm busy.
Okay, next time we'll make pindi cholas.
Okay.
And this goes with the pindi cholas really,
Really good. Oh, I didn't tell me before. I could have just soaked the chanas and you could have made them.
Yeah.
Nice. I can do it.
Yeah. Tikkis are ready. We will fry now. In the heated pan, you add some oil. press it little bit and make it flat.
You can put 4 tikkis at a time.
Yeah, 4 tikkis.
They won't break or
No, it will not break.
So you have to fry till golden on both the sides. We don't deep fry the tikkis.
No,
It
we
has to
don't-
be
no,
shallow.
it's shallow fry.
Okay.
You can add 1 if you want.
No, dear, that will be too much. 4 is enough, I think. I don't want them to break. I don't want them to break. It's good. 4 are good.
Okay.
They're looking nice.
Yeah.
I'm hungry now.
Yeah. You should taste it afterwards.
Wait.
Let it.
Yeah. You know what I like to do? I always use a fork to turn
Okay.
whatever I'm
Fine.
frying.
Yeah.
That's easier.
That's the better, otherwise it
Yeah.
will be.
See here, the end is little.
Just a touch bit.
Yeah. You think one side is done?
Check it. Let's see.
Let it be.
You can turn it because next time, one time more we can do it.
This is easy like this. Nice, yeah.
The next time side will be done, then we'll do again.
Okay. So, tikkis are ready now. So
Now we will
take them out.
take them out in the plate.
Very nice color on that one.
See, yeah, this is perfect.
Tikkis are ready. Our tikkis are ready. They look very nice and crispy and very nice, Asha.
Yeah.
And we are serving them with tamarind chutney and green chutney. And let me try. I can't wait. I have to try this now. Just take a little green chutney and take a little tamarind chutney. Give you first. It's good.
Yeah, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
It's like Delhi chutney and Delhi tikki. So good. You remember you used to go to
Regal?
Yeah.
Regal, yeah. There was chaat part.
in Delhi. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.